Hello, I'm Gerardo. This time, let me show you the solution when the storage device is not recognized after installing Windows. Okay. Now I'm installed the window newly the window on my computer. With the couple of storage device, but I cannot see that the other storage device except the operating system disk. Okay. I just checked the device management.msc on the long window. Okay. But I cannot see the other device except the operating system disk. Alright, so and also I checked that the disk management .msc. So as you can see, I cannot see the other device. Right? Only I can see that the C drive. Alright. So now I need to downloading and then installing some file. Okay. Now I connected the Azure, the home page. Okay. Then type the model. Okay, in the support menu. Okay, there are two the model, the motherboard. Then click the download. Okay, now we need to install the this file, Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Okay, so after download them, save the in the some folder. Okay. Now I gonna install the setup the RSD file. Okay, so Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Okay, the install. Okay, next. Okay, now processing. Okay, yes, the need to restart. After restarting. Okay, finally I can see the other device. Okay, local disk D, F, G. Alright. So now I'm check the disk management. Okay, as you can see that the other device you can see. Okay. Also, all device I connected, I can see that all the storage devices. Right? That's all. Thank you for watching this movie.